Hello, so this is in the animation tutorial. I'm actually here to teach you how to make use of the selection setting. Selection setting being that to make use of it, it speeds up the workflow in such a way that you don't need to be looking for maybe you want to select the part. You can easily just click on them and then click on the button and you get selected. So assuming you want to put all these in the selection board, let's call it our left hand F key. So the way you do it is you can just scroll, you go to your object property, that's this, then you see selection set here, then you just click plus, then make sure you take this, then you can just come and select this one, then you click on assign. Now, after clicking on this, so if you want to select this one, you don't need to drag the box over it again. You can just come here to select. Can you see it selected or you deselect? That's if it's selected. If it's selected, then you can actually deselect to move away from it. So these are some of the things. Or maybe you want to hide this selection. So let's name this one as our left arm set, then FK. So then let us create another one. Then how to create another one is you add, then let want to create another one for this. So we just call it R underscore arm underscore set underscore FK. So click this, then select this. So assuming you want to hide some specific stuff you don't controls you don't want to make it the same, you just include them in the selection set, then assign. Then after it's assigned, that's all. To select, you can just click on it. If you don't want to select this two now, you can just click on this and also click select. So it has the two selected. So these are some of the ways you can actually make use of your selection set. It actually helps you a lot. Like if you want to, if you're animating and you have a lot of controls on your character and you need to do this and do that. So these are some of the stuff that actually help you to speed up your workflow. And looking at this tutorial, I'm planning on doing a workshop with this tutorial as time goes on. So follow me. Thank you.